All right, forget everything you know about bank robberies. Seriously, the ski masks, the massive steel vaults, the screeching getaway cars, completely obsolete. Today's heists, they require exactly zero guns. All you need is a laptop, some AI, and an internet connection. Welcome to a rapid-fire edition of The Explainer we like to call The Pulse. We are tracking a massive $10 billion shadow economy right now. The physical vault is officially dead, guys. Welcome to the era of the AI heist. $1.5 billion. Think about that number for a second. And that's not over a decade of theft. That is from a single attack. In February 2025, hackers actually managed to infiltrate the Bybit crypto exchange. And these were supposed to be impenetrable offline cold wallets, right? But in just a matter of minutes, using literally just a few lines of code, they pulled off the largest financial theft in human history. And they did it without even breaking a sweat. It just shows how the criminal underworld has completely pivoted. Like, think about it. If you rob a physical bank today, you're gonna net maybe, $7,500? And you're facing an 85% chance of going to prison. But these modern digital heists, there is zero physical risk, absolutely limitless digital loot, and a near 0% arrest probability. It's wild. It's all just perfectly masked by crypto mixers and blockchain bridges. And that brings us to the absolute apex predators of this space, North Korea's Lazarus Group. Get this, in April 2026, they bled $35 million from digital platforms every single day. And they did that during a relentless 17-day spree. Because they're operating with state immunity, they just funnel these stolen billions directly into their nuclear programs. It's almost hard to wrap your head around. But here's where it gets truly terrifying. We are accelerating toward what is basically an extinction-level event for cybersecurity. Right after those billions were lost across 2025 and 2026, a Google quantum AI paper came out and just set all the alarm bells ringing. Their prediction? Sometime between 2028 and 2033, a fully realized quantum computing threat is going to arrive. And when it does, it's going to make our current encryption look like a wet paper padlock. And that plays right into this horrifying strategy unfolding as we speak, called harvest now, decrypt later. You see, blockchains are permanent, right? So attackers are currently just scraping and hoarding absolute mountains of encrypted global data. Now, sure, they can't read it yet, but they don't care. They are just patiently waiting for quantum computers to catch up so they can unlock all of it tomorrow. So when tomorrow does arrive, how long is that decryption actually going to take? 9 minutes. Yeah, you heard me. 9 minutes. That 2026 Google AI paper actually estimates that a 500,000 qubit quantum machine could completely shatter the cryptography protecting Bitcoin and Ethereum in just 9 minutes. We are literally hurtling toward a quantum zero day. So we are staring down the barrel of a very rapidly approaching future here. It really makes you wonder, if the most cryptographically secure digital vaults in all of human history can be systematically shattered and completely drained in just 9 minutes, is anything truly safe?